Welcome everyone, I'm Mandy Bishop, and today we're exploring what's new in Clarity 2026.0 SP2. This release is all about giving you better control, faster performance, and smarter automation, especially when it comes to cloud workflows and task scheduling. Thanks for joining us today. Our goal with this update is straightforward. Give you the tools that improve performance and put you in control of your workflows. I've got a few slides to give you an overview of what's new, and then we'll jump into a live demonstration of these new task offerings so you can see them in action. Just like SB1, this update comes through our built-in updater. No separate installer required. That means less downtime, fewer interruptions, and you're up and running with these new capabilities in minutes. SB2 focuses on 3 areas. First, we're giving administrators new controls over how and when tasks run across your organization. Second, we're making cloud publishing faster and more efficient with direct ACC integration. And third, we're giving you another PDF creation tool to bypass opening Revit documents when creating PDFs. Let me show you what each of these means for your daily work. Let's start with global scheduling controls. This one's for your administrators. SB2 introduces 2 enforcement options. First, limit how frequently tasks can run. Set a maximum number of days per week for any task. This prevents overscheduling and distributes workload evenly. Second, force run only on change globally. Tasks only execute when models actually change, eliminating wasted processing. The result? Better resource allocation, reduced server load, and the organizational control larger firms have been requesting. Next up is direct ACC publish task. Previously in Clarity, publishing to ACC meant opening Revit, running the publish operation, then closing it, every time. This new task eliminates Revit entirely from the equation. You schedule your publishes, daily, weekly, whatever your workflow needs, and they run directly without ever launching Revit. The impact is immediate: faster processing, lower server load, and most importantly, your Revit task capacity stays available for the work that actually needs it. Publish to the cloud as often as you want without sacrificing the Revit horsepower you need for model processing. You already have PDF automation in Clarity. This gives you another option, specifically for ACC workflows. This task runs entirely on the Windows task server. No Revit's involved, no model opening is required. You get the same PDF features you are familiar with: combining sheets, configuring naming patterns, delivered to multiple destinations. The difference, it works directly from ACC, keeping your Revit task servers available for model processing. Keep in mind this works only in ACC and on the published views of the model. So now you have 2 paths: traditional PDF automation through Revit, or this ACC-based option that preserves your Revit capacity for the work that needs it. So how do you get your hands on SB2? It's available right now through Clarity's built-in update system. It came out last week. You may have already downloaded it. Now let me show you these features in action with a live demo. Okay, we're in Clarity. I'm going to show you a bit about the new tasks that are available with SP2. I'm going to just start here and set up task, add task, and I'm going to show you these new tasks. Both have these icons that are informational icons to show that they're new. These icons will disappear after some period of time. So they will go away, but this is something that we're going to try to do to highlight new functionality so you can find it easily at the beginning. To start, we'll just talk about publish. Publish is a file-based and a project-based task, just like it was in the other context, but this publish doesn't require opening Revit. It works very similarly to the other publish that you know from the BIM 360 C4R publish, but instead it just runs in the Windows task server and it doesn't require you to open Revit at all. You can wait for completion We do not know how big your publishes are. We just picked a max wait time for 2 hours, but it could go longer. And so if you take this publish and you want to run it in a task sequence and do something afterwards, you should, run it once, see how long it takes, and make sure that you, set your maximum wait time to be something that is big enough to handle the publish. That being said, it won't wait 2 hours if you don't need to wait 2 hours. It will keep checking and finish whenever the actual task is finished. And for the second one, the ACC Docs to PDF, this also runs in the Windows task server, and it can also run as a file or a project-based tasks. It has the ability to combine files into one PDF. It also has the ability to, only keep certain sheets or views in your final set with these wildcards. And it also has other options such as wait time, as in the last publish that I showed you. This is also important to get a good number that is for your actual print, because the task will not be a successful task if it can't wait for the PDF to be completed at the end. Once the PDF is created, you can use any of the available post-task actions to move your PDF to a final storage location for deliverables. Pretty much it works a lot like what you've seen before, except that it works on the ACC doc, either a DWG or a Revit model, and it works only on the sheets and views that you have actually published up to ACC. So make sure that those are available to this command if you want to produce them in the PDF output. That's about it for the new tasks. Hopefully they'll be useful to you. I can envision that you'll be putting maybe a task sequence together with a publish and then maybe a PDF task so that you can make sure that everything's up to date. We hope you enjoyed this presentation and all the new functionality in 2026 SP2. If you have any additional questions or need more information, you can find it on our website or write support@rand.com. And please join our community site, imagineithelprace.com. You can ask questions and post ideas there where they can get upvoted, and we will read them and they will be considered for next releases. So thank you a lot for your attention today, and have a wonderful day.